welcome to the V2V channel. So in this session we are discussing about the topic is related to the number series. So in this video I will tell you the approaches to solve any number series question. If it is easy, moderate or difficult, whatever the question, I will tell you the approaches to solving any question related to number series. Okay, first of all see. So series means they are discussing for pattern. So there is some pattern, we need to identify it. Then what is the meaning of number? Let's see the information. What is the number? That is my question mark. See, so number can be represented the unknown quantity. The unknown quantity of any terminology I can call it as a number. So that's why I just take it as a one quantity, that is n. That's why all types of numbers we can indicate it with some alphabeticals. That's why the number is always representation of unknown quantity. So these number can be categorized into different types. We have a different types of numbers. See, the first type of number, natural number. So what are the numbers I can call as a natural number? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all the numbers I can call as a natural numbers. Then second one, if it is deals with the whole number. So whole number means if any natural number including 0, if those numbers I can call as a whole numbers. It means every natural number I can call it as a whole number, but a whole number we cannot define as a natural number. Then see, so the natural numbers can be categorized into first one, even numbers and odd numbers, either prime numbers or composite numbers. So these are the different types we can categorize as natural numbers, or we can call it as these terminologies are positive integers. Clear? Then see, if any positive integer which is divisible by 2, the positive integer which is divisible by 2, those numbers we can call as a even numbers, like 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers I can call as a even numbers. If any positive integers other than even numbers I can call as odd numbers, like a 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Then if it is a prime number, see, prime number and composite number deals with the concept of factors. What is the meaning of factors? See, factors can deals with the exact divisibles. If any number having a number of divisibles, the divisible is a concept of factor. It means, see, the prime number is a concept. If any number having exactly two factors, if any number having a two factors, those two factors is related to the prime number. If any number having more than two factors, if it is a more than two factors, for any number I can call it as a composite number. So let's go with example. See, the prime numbers means, see, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These all the numbers I can call it as a prime number. See, in the prime numbers we have only one even number, that is 2. If it is a composite number starts with a 4, then next one 6, then 8, 9, 10. So these all the numbers having more than two factors. More than two factors is a composite. If having a two factors is a concept of prime number. Then next one, if you move on to the concept of powers, see, powers can be deals with the two types, like the perfect square numbers. See, the perfect square numbers means, see, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. These 10 numbers we can call as a perfect square numbers. We have a more than 100, like a 121, so 11 square, 12 square, 144, so on. If same thing, the perfect cubes, first 10 perfect cubes are 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, then 216, 343 and 512, 729 and 1000. These numbers I can call it as a cube number. First, if it is a number, we need to recognize which type of number it is. Then see, for example, if it is a square, these all the squares I can call it as a natural perfect square. If you want a even square means 4, 16, 36, 84, 100. These we called as a even square. If it is a odd square, 1, 9, 25, 49, 81. These are the odd square. If you want prime square, see, prime square means 4, 9, 25, 49. These four numbers I can call it as a prime square. If it is a power value, again it can be categorized either even square, odd square, prime square, composite square. These all the combinations I can call it as a natural numbers or positive integers. Then C, if it is a number, see, each and every type of number having a pattern. Pattern means, see, if it is a natural number, they maintained as common difference. If it is a whole number, again they maintained as common difference. If it is even number, again common difference. Odd number, common difference. If it is a prime number and composite number, the concept is related to the factors. Means every number having a pattern. If number having a pattern, the number having a pattern, if any number having a pattern, the pattern we can call as number series. That is the introduction. So we need to decide it. Each and number series, what is the pattern they follows? Means they follows as a some particular pattern. So those pattern I can call as unknown quantity, that is n. So these n may be in the number series. These n may be in the number series. Either they follow as natural numbers, we need to check it out. Either they follow as whole number, we need to follow either even, odd, prime, composite. If it is maybe, they can follow as the powers concept. Powers can be categorized either squares or cubes. Clear? So first of all, it is a number series question. Try to identify they follow which type of number format is given. So number format can be categorized as these 8 different models. Clear? Okay, let's see the first approach related to the number series. Maybe the series maintained as common difference. Okay. First, the mathematical expressions, the mathematical operations either deals with the addition or subtraction. So these are the combined operations. It means, see, if forward operation is related to the addition, the reverse operation is related to the subtraction. And the same thing, multiplication and division is the combined operations. Like if you go with the forward is a multiplication, you can go with the reverse as divisor. So these two are same category and these two are same category. Then check it out the first question. See, what is the next number after 65? See, 29, 38, they maintained as a difference of plus 9. In the same way, 8 become a 7 plus 9 means the entire series is a addition of 9 variables. If you want the missing number means the number is addition of plus 9. 65 plus 9, the value become 74. That is the resultant. See the second question. See second question. 890 become 873. We are decreases the variables. 90 become a 73. We are subtraction of 17 variables. In the same thing, this is the 17 and this is the 17. If you subtracted 17 variables, see 820 and 9 minus 7 value become 5. So 9 minus 7, 2. Sorry. So 822. See, if it is a reverse operation is a minus, then the forward operation is a minus, then the reverse operation is equal to addition. So that is, I am telling that both are interchanging operation. In the same way, 64 divisible by 32, that is divisible by 2. If you want to go with the reverse one, 32 into 64, 16 into 2, 8 into 16. If you want 8 means the number is multiple with t, definitely the resultant is 4. If you want to go with the forward operation means divisible by 2, divisible by 2, divisible by 2 means there is a common difference, means there is a one particular operation can performing the entire thing. Clear? Next one, see. 2, 8, 32 and 128 means this is for 4 times, this is for 4 times, this is 4 times and 128 fours are. So 128 fours are means 120 fours are 480, 8 fours are 32. So answer 215. So resultant is 512. See 4381, 4492, 4603, 4714. See 381 become a 492. We are addition of 111. Again 492 become a 603. We are addition of plus 111. So the common difference should be maintained as plus 111. Plus 111 means it's a 4 plus 1 5, 1 plus 1 2 and 8 plus 7 plus 1 8. So answer 4825. So this is the resultant. Clear? And see, if question is related for common difference means they maintained as one particular operation can performing the entire series. So common means it is performing a single operation with a single number. So only one particular number can performing with the entire operation. So that is the first application for common series. See, second approach. So second approach related to increasing or decreasing series. So increasing or decreasing series means there is a one type of number can performing the entire operation. Then type of number. These type of number may be a natural number type, maybe a whole number type, maybe a even number, odd number, prime number, and a composite number, and either it deals with the power space concept. So these are the different approaches, either increasing or decreasing series. We need to identify which type of number we are using in the number series format. Then see, 38 become a 40, we are addition of plus 2 variable. 40 become a 43, we are addition of plus 3. 43 become a 48, we are adding plus 5. 48 become 55, we are addition of plus 7. Then what is the next number? See, first recognize the type 2, 3, 5, 7. These type we can call as a prime number type. So prime number means after 7 we are addition of plus 11. So 55 plus 11 is exactly equal to 66. Next one, 121 become a 122, so plus 1. 122 become a 126, that is plus 4. And 126 become a 135. So definitely 126 and 135 we are addition of plus 9. Then 135 become a 151. See, here we have a 5 variables and here 11 variables. Total we have a 16 variables. Then see, 1, 4, 9, 16. I can recognize that these are the perfect square numbers. The next perfect square is equal to 25. So 150 plus 125 is a 175 plus 1 is equal to 176. Divide the numbers if you go with addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Next, 234 become a 238. So 34 become a 38 is the plus 4. 38 become a 44. 38 become a 44. Here 2 variables and 4 variables, total 6 variables. And 44 become a 52. Here 6 variables and here 2 variables, that is the plus 8. Then see, 4, 6, 8. Some students think that maybe that is the addition of plus 10. Maybe that is a true. So 252 plus 10, the answer become 262. But once check it out the pattern, if any number starts with a 4, the preference go with a composite number. Why? Because the composite number starts with a 4 only. So the composite series of numbers means 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12. These are the type of composite numbers we have. That's why the preference always related to the addition of plus 9, not a plus 10. See, the priority goes for type of number. So these type of numbers I can call as a composite number. Then 252 plus 9, the answer is equal to 261. If both are in the option, definitely the preference goes for 261 only. Next, 489 plus 97. See, 89 plus 97, the total result is plus 8. And 497 become a 524. Here 3 variables, here 24 variables, total 27. Then here 524 become a 649. So definitely we can shifted 125 variables. Then see, I can observe that these all the numbers are related to the perfect cube numbers. Like this is for 2 cube and this is for 3 cube and this is for 5 cube. Then we think that maybe the addition of 6 cube. But see, again check the pattern. 2, 3, 5 is related to the concept of prime numbers. So we need to add the prime cubes only. So we don't go with a addition of 6 cubes. So the resultant we are addition of 7 cube, the resultant of 343. Then 9 plus 3, 12, resultant 4 plus 4, the 9 resultant 6 plus 3. So answer 992. The type of number can decide the exact series pattern. So this is the second application, increasing or decreasing series. Okay, let's see the next approach, either square or cube series. Okay, see, square or cube series, I just go with application. Either they series maintained as either perfect square or perfect cube number. Either if you go with a tougher become, the series become either n square plus or minus 1 or n cube plus or minus 1. There is some other applications. If you go with a deeper one, the applications either n square plus or minus 1 or n cube plus or minus n. Here we need to observe that either the n's are same, either n's are different. I will tell you the approach. If it is become a tougher series, the perfect cube number addition or subtraction of n square. So I will tell you that. So I will explain later for this model. Okay, let's see the question. So these are the different models in square or cube series. See, 1, 8, 27, 64. I can say that those are the perfect cube numbers. The next perfect cube number is equal to 125. Exactly they given as perfect cube numbers. Then see, 2, 6, 12, 20. 2, 6, 12, 20 are not a square numbers or cube numbers. Why? Because we already know the perfect square numbers and cube number. But these all the numbers are nearer, just see, nearer to the every perfect square. Nearer means, see, can I take it as this is 1 square plus 1? Can I take it as these values is 2 square plus 2? This is for 3 square plus 3 and this is for 4 square plus 4. Means the n square plus or minus n, here n become a equal. So the next series is defined as 5 square plus 5. So 5 square plus 5, the resultant become 30. See, 500 and 500, definitely this is not an exact square or cube number. If it is not an exact pattern, then check it out the difference between the numbers. See the difference. Here the difference is 0. Here the difference is 6. And here the difference is equal to 24. See, 0, 6, 24 is nearer to the perfect cube. See, can I take it as these value is 1 cube minus 1. So this is, can I write as 2 cube minus 2. And this is absolutely for 3 cube minus 3. Again, we can say that n cube minus n, here n is equal to n. So the next difference will become 4 cube minus 4. 4 cube minus 4, the resultant is 60. Then 530 plus 60, the resultant value become 590. See the fourth question. See, 230, 130, 350, these all the numbers are nearer to the perfect cube numbers. Perfect cube numbers means, can I write as these value is 1 cube plus 1 and this is value of 3 cube plus 3 and this is the value of 5 cube plus 5 and this is the value of 7 cube plus 7. See, 1, 3, 5, 7 I can call it as a odd number. The next odd number is 9 cube plus 9. So 9 cube value is 729 plus 9, the value becomes 738. So the resultant is 738. Move to the next one. 2, 12, 36 and 80. Clear? If you go with the exact one, can I write as this value is 1 square plus 1 and this value can be written as, so we cannot go with the 2 square. Okay, then see, if you go with the this value is 2 square plus 2 cube. Why? Because 2 cube is equal to 8, 2 square is equal to 4, that resultant is 12. Means the perfect square and cube is addition of sum n cube plus n square. So this value can I write as 3 square plus 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27. 27 plus 9 is equal to 36. So next number is equal to 4 square plus 4 cube. Then final answer is 5 square plus 5 cube. So 125 plus 25. The resultant become 150. So these are the different approaches to solve any question related square or cube. But you need to observe that either they given as exactly, either they given as difference approach, exact approach or difference approach. So this is the application of square and the cube series. Okay, let's see the next approach related to the multiplication series. So multiplication series means they may be multiple with n. The number is multiple with n, either addition or subtraction of plus 1. The number is multiple with n, the plus or addition of plus n. So I can say that the n may be a equal, n may not be a equal. So I will explain again. See, n may be indicated of natural numbers, either they indicated of whole numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, odd numbers, power values. So these are the chances of n. So these are the thought process while we solving a multiplication. Then see, first observe that if the question is related to the multiplication, how we are observing. See, the entire series of numbers, second position number always double or more than double. So the second position number is always double or more than double than previous number. The question definitely related to multiplication. See, 95 is double of 31, 193 is double of 195, 581 is double of 193. Same thing. If any second position number is double or more than double, definitely you can check with the only multiplication. That is the direct logic. Then see, I want 6 become a 16. So 6 is not directly go with a 16. So I just go with a into 2 plus 4. Then you need to think that we are multiple with 2, but we are addition of plus 4. We need to identify the relation between multiplication of 2 plus 4. See, whatever the number we are multiple, the addition multiple must be a perfect square. There is a chances. So these 4 can be defined as perfect square. Maybe it is addition of composite. Why? Because the composite type is also starts with a 4 only. Then you can go with the second one. See, 16 become a 57. So 16 threes are 48. So 48 plus 9 become 57. Means the number is multiple with a n and those perfect square is a addition for this logic. Then see, 57 become a 244. 57 become a 244 means into 4 plus 16. So definitely this answer is into 5 plus 25. Here I will tell you the logic. If any number is multiple with a 5, 5 can be written as 10 by 2. It means this number is off of the 244. Off of the 244 means the value become 122. So answer 1220 means 244 5s are 1220. If you add 25, the entire resultant is 1245. That is the answer. Next, if 4 become a 14, 4 become a 12, 14. If the number is multiple with 3, so 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14 is a nice. Next, 14 into 3 is not possible. Why? Because 14 3s are 42. 14 3s are 42 means we are excess of these resultant. That's why I should multiple with 2. So 14 2s are 28 means plus 3. See, if you observe these two, if these number is multiple with 3 plus 2, the next series into 2 plus 3, definitely this is multiples of 3 and plus 2. Check it out. So 31 3s are 93, 93 plus 2 95. So definitely these two operations can performing in alternatively. So next number is into 2 plus 3, into 3 plus 2, and the final answer is into 2 plus 3. That is the final resultant. Then see, 512 are 502s are 1000, 81 2s are 162, and if you add plus 3 means the value become plus 5. So answer 5611. So answer 1165. Next, 10 become a 5 means the number is multiple with 0.5 or the value become 1 by 2. Again, 5 become a 5, so the number is multiple with 1, you can take it as 2 by 2. So anything, so if you go with a fraction, that is 1 by 2. If it is a decimal, that is 0.5. And the next number, 5 become a 7.5 means the number is multiple with 1.5 times. 1.5 times means that is 3 by 2. See, observe that the numerator is increases with constant denominator. This is also one approach in the fractions type. So if this number is 2 means this is the number of 4 by 2. That is the other application. So definitely answer resultant become 2.5 or the answer result become 5 by 2. See, 15 2s are 30. 15 into 0.5 is a 7.5. The entire resultant is 37.5. That is the resultant. Next one. 6 become a 15. See, 6 become a 15 means into 2 plus 3. Again same thing. This is into 2 plus 5. And this is into 2 plus 7. See, the constant multiplication, but addition numbers are 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. So there is a no particular series. So I can say that 3, 5, 7 is odd number. So definitely next number is into 2 plus 9. If it is into 2 plus 2, into 2 plus 3, I can say that that is the prime number. But if here starts with a 3, I can conclude that that is the odd number series. Then see, 77 2s are 144 plus 9. The resultant is 153. That is the answer. Next, 2, 3, 8, 27 and 112. So into 1 plus 1. This is into 2 plus 2. This is into 3 plus 3 means whatever the number, that number must be added. It means n is equal to n series. Clear? And next one. Into 4. Into 4 plus 4. The next resultant is into 5 plus 5. I will tell you the multiplication of 5. 112 divisible by 2. 112 divisible by 2. The value become 56. So means 560 plus 5. So answer is equal to 565. So these are the different applications related to the multiplication series. Okay, next one. See, product of two numbers series. So this is the other application of previous approaches. For example, if you are interested, you can find the difference between the numbers. You can get the answer. Okay, I will explain. See, so the difference between number 4. Here we have a 6. Here we have a 8. Here we have a 10. And here we have a 12. The answer becomes 42. If you are not interested in difference approach, then if you are good at a multiplication, then you can check it out which of the product of two numbers we get the result in. Means, can I go with this is value of 1 into 2, and this is the value of 2 into 3, this is the value of 3 into 4, and this is the value of 4 into 5, 5 into 6, the next resultant is 6 7 jar 42. You can go with any approach, but it saves time, whatever the application you can use. See next one, 3 5 means I just go with the 1 into 3. And next one, this is for 3 into 5, this is for 5 into 7, and this is for 7 into 9. See, observe the numbers 1 3, 3 5, 5 7, 7 9, odd numbers multiplication 9 into 11. The resultant become 99. See, 12 and 18, 12 and 18, for example, 3 into 4, but 18 is not divisible by 4. Means, these series we never get in exact model. So, we never get any exact model. If you are not getting an exact series, then you can find the difference between the numbers. See, difference of numbers is equal to 6.
Here the difference. See, here 18 plus 33. Here we have a plus 2. Again we have a 13 means the total resultant is equal to plus 15. Again 8 minus 3. It's a 5. 6 minus 3. 5. So 35. So then you can go with these application. 2 into 3. This is for 3 into 5. And this is for 5 into 7. First of all, what is the next difference we added? If you want to add it means, first we need to recognize which type of numbers it is. See, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7. These are related to the prime. Why? Because 2 is the starting number. So 2, 3 is a consecutive, then we can go with a prime number. So the next number is 7 into 11. We are addition of 77. If you add the 77, the value become 5 and the value become 145. So the total resultant is 145. So the product of 2, if you observe that, if you are getting as a product of 2 numbers, it saves your time. So this is the application. Next one in the series. Okay, next approach, alternative series. See, if you are not understand your series in a proper way, so if you are not understand in proper way, you can check the series in alternative way. Alternative way means, for example, if you go with a direct one, 3, 5, 8, the number is decreases, means this is not a proper series. If it is not a proper series, then series you can check within an alternative manner. Alternative number means 3, 8, then 13, then 18. See, every alternative is the addition of common number, that is plus 5. Next one, 5, 7, 9. See, 5, 7, 9, again that is plus 2. This is plus 2. The next number become plus 2. The resultant is 11. See, they maintained as a common difference of in alternative way. Same way, 1, 8, 9, 20, 64 and 25. These are the combination of perfect squares and perfect cube. It means, see, this is for 1 square, 2 cube, 3 square, 4 cube, 5 square and 6 cube. The resultant become 216. Means they performing alternative squares and cubes. If you go to these questions, see, again 2, 10, 3. Again you can check within an alternative way. Alternative way means 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7 is a part of a prime numbers. So they are arranging those numbers in alternative in a prime number. Then 12, 14. So they are addition of common number. So the next number become 16. If you are not understand in a proper way, you can check the series in alternative. Next, miscellaneous. So miscellaneous is a part of within the number. The operations is within the number. Check it out. See, 11, 24, 39. The number become a 416. So we are not understand the pattern. Then you can identify between the numbers logic. See, between the numbers there is a logic. See, this is the 1 square. This is 2 square. And this is 3 square, this is 4 square, the value become 525. So answer 525. Same thing, see, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and 21. See, so in this series they are applying a logic. If you want third resultant, that is the addition of first two numbers. See, 1 plus 2, 3. If you want 5 plus 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 8 plus 13, 21. The final resultant become 34. So answer is a 34. Next, miscellaneous. See, 23, 28 means you just go with the difference. The difference between the numbers is 5. Here the difference is plus 10. Here the difference is plus 11. Here the difference is 49, 31. The difference is equal to 13. And the next difference is equal to plus 8. Then what is the next difference? See, the difference is a improper way. So check it out why he was adding these numbers. See, if you want addition of 5 means, for example, he said that whatever the 25, he adds sum of these two numbers. Sum of these two numbers is equal to 5. That's why he added 5. The next number, see, 2 plus 8, the value become a 10. That's why we get as 38. Again 3 plus 8, 11. That's why we get a 49. So definitely the answer is 70 plus 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. The resultant become 77. Finally, power series means, see, this is for 1 power 1. This is 2 square. This is 3 cube. And this is 4 power 4. The next number become 5 power 5. So 5 power 5, the value become 3125. Just remember the value. See, if it is a power series, that is in terms of n power r. See, n power r means n is equal to r, n not equal to r. Check it out. Maybe both are equal or may not be equal. So these are the different approaches in the number series. There is 8 different approaches. If the question is related to the number series, check it out which type of number series is given. And always remember that which type of number we are using. Type of number is also important in the number series. Clear? See, I will tell you the logics here. If it is a number series, first observe that if the given question is given to the difference between the number, the logic is given directly exact. So either they given as exactly or difference. If it is operations, they together with addition and subtraction and multiplication and divisible. See, if it is a multiplication and divisible means the second position number is always double or more than double. You can find the logic is related to the either multiplication or difference. So other than this, if you identify the differences easily, if you are identify easily, the question is related to the plus or minus. If you are not easily identified, then you can check with the either multiplication or division. Check it out. Either the question is related between the numbers or they given as exactly. Then you can check with the performing of operation. Addition or subtraction means you can easily recognize the difference between the number. If you are not easily recognized between the number, then you can check with the either multiplication or divisible. So these are the different approaches to solve any number series question. Clear?